Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Flutter Coding 101. So in my video today, I'm going to teach you and show you how you can make a contact me form in which you can connect to WhatsApp or mail. For example, if you want to make a contact me form for a portfolio or for a business and you want people to contact you through your personal WhatsApp number or your email ID, then you can just create a contact me form like this. And once you have created this form, you can add buttons, a WhatsApp icon, a mail icon, and on the basis of the messages that they write in these text fields, you will get a message in your WhatsApp or your mail, so you can connect to the people over there. So for this, you need to add a package named URL launcher. Currently, I'm only using URL launcher. For this, I am not using other packages such as Mailer or Flutter Mailer, which will directly send the mail. URL launcher will basically open the WhatsApp or the Gmail to the required recipient, and then the user will basically, they can change their message and they can hit on send. So I will be later making a video on how we can use Mailer or Flutter Mailer to directly send the mail. But for now, we are only using URL launcher. So here you can see I have two buttons. One is for mail and the second is for WhatsApp. So over here, let's start with mail first. So I have added this on pressed method inside my icon button. And so here I am using async. Async stands for asynchronous. So I am parsing my URL inside the URI.parse. So basically this is a string and URI.parse will convert it into the type URL, and this await will basically check if we can actually launch this URL, if this is a valid URL or not. If it is not launched, then it will throw an exception wherein you can maybe use a toast or a snack bar saying we cannot send the mail, or invalid email or invalid URI. And if it happens to be a valid URL, that is, if this can launch URL returns true, then we will be sending a mail to this particular email ID that I have declared in my constants. That will be the recipient's email ID, and this will be the body of the message, which will be the message inside my message text field. And I will keep a common subject for now. For it now, it is Flutter inquiry. You can name it whatever you want. So this is how you can link your mail. Second is how you can link your WhatsApp. So similarly for WhatsApp as well, I have used an icon button, and in the on pressed I have used async for asynchronous, which waits until the response comes. So that's why we use await here. And again, it will check if this URL is a valid URL and return true or false. Now this link is provided by WhatsApp. I will mention the documentation link in my description. So what you can do is, here you will specify the recipient's phone number, and over here the format that I have used is, first it will show the name of the sender, then the email of the sender, and this it will retrieve from the text box that I have used in my application, and after which it will send the message. So here if I show you, I will write my name, my email, and my message. I will open my mail. So as you can see, it opens the Outlook, and so this is the body, which is Flutter inquiry default body that I have specified. The two is the recipient's email that I have specified, and this is the message that I had typed. And when I click on WhatsApp, it asks me if I can open it, and if I open it, as you can see over here. So that's it. I hope you liked this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.